Marc Jacobs Runway Show, sponsored by Labatt Blue.
Miss Chastity and Mystic, you got two are next for the summer collection.
So scared. Oh my god. Is my hair gonna freeze?
Yeah. You need more hair.
Look at my hair.
Okay, you need more. Okay. There. Oh, your bangs there. Okay. You need more.
Wait, am I doing like both packets in, or one in or one out, or?
Do one in and then do both in, and then do both in and then go out.
Like we practice?
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly. Okay, you need more hairspray.
Don't fall.
Don't fall those shoes. I told you.
I hope you do wonderful.
Okay. Ready? Go.
Summer collection, Marc Jacobs. Here is Miss Chastity wearing a Marc Jacobs tunic and some white ballet flats.
Amazing! Woo! 2 thumbs up. Here's Mystic.
Here is Miss Mystic wearing a lovely yellow dress and some jeans in the retro collection of Marc Jacobs. Beautiful volume she's got there. Look at that. Look at that. She has managed to not oh my goodness. Oh, she's okay. She's okay, folks. She's okay.
She may have made a fall, but she's still gorgeous.
Yes, she was beautiful out there. Beautiful.
Woo!
Beautiful. Beautiful.
I was really going to fall.
I have many times.
Oh wait, is it still going? Oh. And now we will come out.
You did beautiful, girls. Beautiful.
Look at me.